So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video.
This is from MarketWatch. What Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash's victory on gig worker status looks like so far.
So it's basically the thing where they don't have to treat their drivers as employees.
Oh yeah. So there was a court decision, appeals court decision this week in California.
Yeah.
For ride drivers and gig workers to remain independent contractors.
I'm pretty sure there's like 1 billion Uber drivers in California alone.
You said 1 billion?
Mm-hmm. Because what there's like 5 billion people in the world, right? And like I think like most of them live in California. I'm just kidding. No, I think it's 1 million. It's 1 million, right?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure. Let me confirm that real quick. Okay, but yeah, continue.
Yeah, so they'll all remain independent contractors.
Yeah, 209,000 Uber drivers in California.
That was 3 years ago.
Yeah.
There's probably more.
Oh no, this is the last update in 2023. 4 days ago. How many Uber drivers in the United States? 5 million. Oh, Uber claimed 1 million. The number has grown in recent years. Uber surpassed 5.4 million nationwide. Damn, these articles are good. You read that part?
So yeah, this is a win for gig companies, and they're going to try to replicate this around the country.
Guys, comment below. Do you want to be an employee or an independent gig worker?
Being an employee means they'll have to pay you more. Like you'll have to get like overtime pay and
paid time off is a huge one.
Yeah. So they don't want to do that.
I believe it's 1 hour for every 30 hours you work. You have to get a one hour off that's paid.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's essentially around 7% pay increase right off the bat just from that alone. And then imagine all What? Imagine all the drivers who drive 80 hours a week, all that overtime pay, time and a half.
That's what I was going to say. Someone like Ronnie would probably be making like $500K a year.
Yeah, no, legit. Probably Uber would probably have to pay Ronnie SPE Tv like $500K a year.
Yeah. He would be making more.
But yeah, read that line.
So gig companies like Uber, DoorDash, and Lyft and Instacart spent more than $200 million to put Prop 22 on the state ballot in 2020.
Yeah, so they spent $200 million, so they don't have to do that with drivers.
Yeah, like they would rather spend $200 million than have drivers get like benefits. So that should be saying something about how these companies feel about the people who are the only reason these companies exist right now.
This is not a career at all. This is a job.
Mm-hmm.
A temporary job that you should use to, do something quick.
Yeah, like a side hustle or like, you're doing something else at the same time. Maybe if you're like an actor.
Yeah.
I think a lot of actors do stuff like this.
Ambar does Uber Eats. You know what's crazy in her video that we posted on this channel? Everyone's commenting, oh, she does never done Uber in her life. I'm like, she literally is doing Uber right now.
Yeah,
people judge a book by its cover.
Exactly.
But yeah, the Uber and Lyft prices, Uber and Lyft stocks surged because this was really good news for investors because they don't have to pay drivers as much money. It's basically a fat pay cut for drivers. Not a pay cut, but a lack of a pay increase. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.